6 powerful questions that will make her see you like no one else. Imagine this. You're sitting across from someone you're deeply attracted to. The conversation is flowing, but something's missing. You can feel it. She's not completely drawn to you. Not yet. What if I told you there are 6 powerful questions rooted in ancient Stoic philosophy that can change everything? These aren't pickup lines or cheap tricks. They tap into something deeper: human nature, desire, and the psychology of connection. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to ask to make her see you in a way no one else does. But fair warning, once you use these, there's no going back. The Stoic advantage in attraction. Stoicism isn't just about enduring hardship or keeping a stiff upper lip. It's about understanding people, mastering emotions, and building strong connections. And when it comes to relationships, Stoicism has some surprising insights that most men overlook. The truth is, most guys approach attraction completely wrong. They either 1. Try too hard, coming off as desperate and needy. 2. Don't try at all, thinking that being aloof will somehow make them attractive. Neither of these approaches work. Why? Because they both come from the same place: fear. Fear of rejection. Fear of being vulnerable. Fear of not being enough. Stoicism teaches us that the only way to conquer fear is to focus on what we can control: our mindset, our actions, and how we engage with others. So instead of worrying about whether she likes you, focus on being someone worth liking. And that starts with asking the right questions. Let's get into them. Question number 1. What's something you've always wanted to do but never had the chance to? This question taps directly into her dreams and desires. It shifts the conversation from surface-level small talk to something personal and meaningful. Here's what makes it powerful. It shows genuine curiosity about her as a person, not just as a potential partner. It allows her to open up emotionally, which creates deeper connection. Pro tip: when she answers, don't interrupt. Just listen. Make her feel heard, and she'll feel more drawn to you. Question number 2. What's the biggest challenge you've ever faced, and how did you overcome it? This reveals her resilience and character, 2 things Stoicism teaches us to value in ourselves and others. Most guys ask basic questions like, "What do you do for work?" That's forgettable. But this question, it invites her to share her strengths, struggles, and personal growth. Pay attention. Does she focus on the obstacles, on how she overcame them? This reveals her mindset, whether she plays the victim or takes control of her life. And women, just like men, are attracted to people who inspire them. Question number 3. If you could change one thing about the world, what would it be? Now, we're going even deeper. This isn't just about her. This is about her values. What really matters to her? Does she care about social issues? Does she dream about making an impact? Does she have a strong belief system? Understanding what she stands for tells you if you're truly compatible. And compatibility isn't just about chemistry. It's about shared values and vision. Question number 4. What's something you're really proud of but don't get to talk about often? Everyone has something they're proud of but rarely get to share. This question gives her a chance to shine, to tell a story that matters to her. Why this works? Stoicism teaches us to find fulfillment in our virtues and efforts, not in external validation. When you give her space to celebrate something meaningful, she associates that good feeling with you. And that's the key. You're not impressing her. You're drawing out the best in her. That's what makes you unforgettable. Question number 5. What's a lesson you've learned that completely changed your perspective? This is where the conversation shifts from interesting to unforgettable. Everyone has a defining moment, a lesson that changed the way they see the world. Asking this makes her 1. Reflect on her personal growth. 2. Feel safe sharing something real. 3. Connect with you on an intellectual and emotional level. Most guys never ask questions like this. That's why it works. Question number 6. If you could describe your ideal day, what would it look like? This question is all about understanding what truly makes her happy. Stoicism teaches us that happiness isn't found in external things, but in the way we live daily life. Her answer will tell you what she genuinely enjoys, not what society tells her she should enjoy. And here's where it gets interesting. If her ideal day sounds completely different from yours, it might be a sign that you're not as compatible as you think. But if your visions align, that's where real chemistry begins. Why these questions work? These aren't random conversation starters. Each question is designed to create emotional investment, The key to deep attraction. Because here's the secret. Women don't fall for looks alone. They fall for how someone makes them feel. When you ask these questions, you're not just talking. You're leading her into deeper thought, reflection, and connection. And that's what makes you stand out. The Stoic approach to attraction. The biggest mistake men make. Trying to force attraction. Attraction isn't about being the loudest, funniest, or most impressive guy in the room. It's about presence. It's about being calm, confident, and engaged. Stoicism teaches us that we can't control how others feel about us, but we can control how we show up, how we carry ourselves, how we engage, and how we connect. And when you take this approach, the right people will naturally be drawn to you. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and check out the next one, where we go even deeper into how Stoicism can transform your relationships. See you there.